In this video, I will show you how to customize your YouTube channel from your iPad or iPhone. This video will focus mainly on channel sections and channel playlists. The first step that you would need to do is uninstall your YouTube application and open YouTube in either the Google or Google Chrome web browser. You go to your channel dashboard in the YouTube Creator Studio, click on Settings and then Channel, and finally Customize Channel. The link will take you to your channel. As you can see, the videos under the default playlist entitled Uploads are displaying the videos horizontally. This is actually a new feature that YouTube decided to implement, as the default setting of displaying videos vertically are rarely utilized. That was one of the main reasons why I wanted to figure out how to change the layout of my channel, because I despised that my videos were displaying vertically this entire time and I was totally unaware. If you are operating from an iPad or an iPhone or another smart device and not a PC, this is the only page you can fully customize your channel layout into sections and playlists. You cannot do it from the app. So what you're going to want to do is first click on Playlists, then New Playlist. You enter the title you want your playlist to have and then click Create. On this page, click on the three little dots and a menu will pop up. Click on Settings and then Advanced Settings. From here, you can change the privacy settings of a playlist. For example, the auto-generated playlist of videos you have liked can be set to private here. You can set up a rule to have newly uploaded videos automatically add to a particular playlist and give other YouTubers access to add videos to a playlist as well. I chose to keep my ordering manual. Once you have saved the changes, click Add Videos and then Your YouTube Videos to populate your playlist. I have selected all the videos I made concerning YouTube. You can reorder your videos by clicking More and a menu will pop up. From here, you can also add or edit notes and set the thumbnail for the playlist. Otherwise, the thumbnail of the playlist will be that of the video, which is at the top of the playlist. You can also add a description to your playlist. On your YouTube channel, above the menu, there is a Customize Channel option. Click on it and then scroll down to the bottom and click Add Section. Click on Single Playlist under the Content option and Horizontal Row as opposed to vertical row under the layout section. Under choose playlist, you can enter your playlist URL. To get the URL, simply go back to the playlist tab in the top menu and click and hold on view full playlist and select copy link URL from the menu that should pop up. Once you have your playlist URL entered, click add and done. At this point, you can repeat the process multiple times until you have all the playlists and all the sections you desire to display on your channel. Okay, so as you can see here, I just got a notification and I'm responding to my comments. No matter how big your channel is, you should always engage with your community. This helps the organic reach and growth of your channel. I touch a little bit more on this video right here on how to properly network in YouTube and build community with commenting on other YouTube channels. And I have to say, since I have done just this portion of customizing my channel, I can already see how much it has improved my reach in terms of my videos. There are other strategies that I use to help my videos get more views, and this customization of my channel, simply just grouping my content into playlists and then displaying them into different sections on my channel, has improved the amount of views, I believe, on my channel, and it also gives it a better overall look and feel, and has a more positive impact on people who are now coming to my channel for the first time and being able to find what they are looking for, which is very important. If you found this tutorial helpful, there are other tutorials in this playlist as well that you may also find helpful. Comment down below if there are any things in particular you would like me to make a video on, and I'll see you in the next video.